What is up, everybody? Just Dhillon here, and today I'm meeting up with a local real estate investor here in Winnipeg. He already has 3 investment properties plus his residence. I'm actually outside one of his rental properties right here. We're gonna discuss all the numbers of his properties, and at the end of this video, he's gonna provide us some helpful tips on how you guys can get started into investing in real estate. So don't go anywhere, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and let's get right into it.
Hey guys, welcome. It's Brrrr Singh. My company is KP Realty. I'm a local investor here in Winnipeg, Manitoba. We are here at one of our property we just finished. I've been investing for more than a year now, and we are here at one of our rental in Brooklands. It's a 4-bedroom student rental. Let's take you inside and give you a tour. Property that we are standing outside today, I want to share some numbers with you. We bought this property 3 months ago at $115,000. Our strategy was to BRRRR. We wanted to buy it, we wanted to renovate it, rent and refinance. So we bought it at $115,000. We put $15,000 towards renovation. We put $5,000 towards holding cost and closing cost. So we are all in at $135,000. Now the goal is to appraise this at $200,000. Once it gets appraised at $200,000, we get 80% of that back. That means we have virtually no cash invested and it's no money down deal.
Alright guys, so now we're going into house number 2. We'll meet KP outside of house number 2 and he'll break down the numbers.
Hey guys, so let me give you a tour of property number 2. This is a house in Weston. It's a 2-bedroom single-family house. We bought it for $100,000. We put $25,000 towards renovation. Our holding cost and closing cost is $5,000. So we are all in at $130,000. We expect it to be appraised at $170,000. Once we get it appraised at $170,000, we're gonna get all of our money back. So this is another no money down real estate.
We couldn't go inside that property because that property is already tenanted. He's already earning money from that property just by sitting at home. So now we'll go into property number 3 and let's check that out.
Hey guys, welcome to property number 3. It's again in Western neighborhood of Winnipeg, Manitoba. Let me give you a breakdown of this property. It's a very interesting deal that we did. Let's take a look there. We bought this property for $100,000. We put in $25,000 toward renovation. Our holding cost and closing cost is $5,000. So we're all in for $130,000. This is appraised at $170,000. So if you do the calculation, we got $136,000 back. So we actually made $6,000 by owning this house. Also, the property is already rented. We are getting $1,100 rent. Our mortgage is $700. Our costs with insurance and taxes is approximately $200. So we're making $200 cash flow on the single family house.
Alright guys, so we're at KP's property number 4. This one is also in which neighborhood?
Weston.
Weston. This is also in Weston, Winnipeg. He's just closed on this property. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath property.
Can't really disclose some numbers right now until it's all done and we start the renovations, but we'll be back with when we start the renovation and we'll walk you through the whole process. My friend here wanted me to give you guys some tips about how to get started into real estate, as I was a newbie just a year ago too. Tip number 1, you want to start from house hacking. What house hacking means is you want to own a house and you want to live in it for free. You can buy a house in a decent neighborhood. You can put 5 to 10% towards the down payment, and you want to make sure that the house has some unit, like a secondary unit in the basement, or you can rent out by the bedroom. And you want to make sure that your payments are covered, your mortgage payments are covered, your insurance and taxes are covered with the rent that you receive. So that's house hacking. You want to own a house and you will live for free. Tip number 2, you want to get started with a realtor. You want to make your power team, which means your power team should consist of a realtor, a go-to realtor. It can be within your community. It can be someone who speaks the same language as you. You want to have a go-to lawyer, you want to have a go-to accountant, and a go-to broker. And you want to look for property that you can flip. You want to look for, you have to narrow down onto a particular neighborhood that you can buy undervalued properties, 50 cents to 60 cents on a dollar. You want to let your realtor know what you're looking for. You don't want to buy something which is already rainbows and sunshine. You don't want to buy a house which is already renovated. You want to buy something that you can bring in value by putting in renovations and make money when you sell it. Tip number 3 for you guys. So how you want to get started is you want to do your own research first. You have to look at online. There is so much information available online for free. You want to look at different websites like realtor.ca. You want to go through wherever you live in your city. You want to go through the Craigslist. You want to go through the Kijiji posts. You have to see how much the houses are selling for. You want to do your own research, write things down, narrow down into a particular neighborhood that where you want to buy, and you want to talk to the same people. So you have to be into a network first of all. Join a local group, join a group of real estate investors. This is what I did. I went to all the meetings, any meeting in my city of neighborhood, my city of Winnipeg. I went to each one of them and I spoke with everyone, from the newbie to someone who was already doing multiple deals in a year. So that's the best. You have to make your network. You have to talk to the people. You have to be in those 5 people that you want to be like.
Alright guys, so that was the end of today's video. I'm gonna leave KP's information over here. You guys can contact him, follow him on Instagram, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one.
Hit the thumbs up.